Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Julio Franco. And first of all, I would like to go ahead and thank you for stopping by and taking time out of your busy day to check out this video. I want to go ahead and welcome you to Creative Passive Income. Okay. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way for you to make money online with affiliate marketing. Okay. So let's go ahead and jump on my presentation real quick. As you can see, I'm on my Facebook profile. Let's switch over real quick. All right, let me see. Okay. All right. Now, everybody's looking a way to make money online, okay? If you're a beginner, if you're have experience, everybody's dream to make money online, and I'm going to show you on today's video one of the easiest way for you to make money online with affiliate marketing, okay? So, let's go ahead and jump here. What is the best way to make money online? There are so many ways for you to make money online. You can make money online with affiliate marketing. Okay, that's one of the ways I'm fixing to show you how to do it. You can make money with Amazon. You can make money online with MLM. There's so many different ways, okay, that you can make money online. Drop shipping. I mean, you can search pretty much. Go to Google and search how to make money online, and it's going to show you so many things or so many different ways for you to make money, okay? So, and you might be wondering why affiliate marketing is the best way, okay? Or you might be thinking, what is really the best way for you to make money online, okay? And how to make money online. You're wondering, how can I make money online with little to no investment? Like I said, in this video, I'm going to show you a certain way for you to learn to make money online, with little to no investment. And like I said, even if you're a beginner or if you have experience, okay, maybe you know more than what you're fixing to watch or you're fixing to learn. I mean, that's good, okay, but you can always learn something. So pay close attention, okay, and stick with me. Okay, how to do affiliate marketing. There's really two different ways to do affiliate marketing, okay? And I'm about to show you exactly the right way, the way that I do it. You want to do affiliate marketing the right way. If you're going to start to make money online, if you want to choose affiliate marketing, please, I highly recommend to do it the right way, okay? And the right way is about to be shown to you. So, like I said, pay close attention. What makes this difference? A lot of people say, what's the difference between affiliate marketing and MLM, drop shipping, and all that? The difference in affiliate marketing is that you can go into any vendor and become an affiliate. For example, if I want to go to Best Buy or Walmart and become an affiliate and just, I show a nice camera that they got on special, and I'll be like, hey, check this out, y'all. You want to go ahead and there's some special. If anybody's interested in a camera or whatever, you go ahead and post that link on Facebook, on YouTube or Instagram, whatever. And when people go check that out, if they buy, you make a commission. That's affiliate marketing. You don't have to worry about processing the fees. You don't have to worry about inventory. You don't have to about shipping the product. None of that. You just go ahead and grab a link and just post it to your Facebook, to any social media platform, okay? And I'm going to show you the right way to do it today. So, okay, let's continue. Pretty much it's three different keys, okay? That's what I call it. Just three simple keys for you to become an affiliate marketer. You go and join. After you join, you promote, and then you earn. And then you might be thinking, well, how do you do that? Okay, I'm fixing to show you. This is another way. You join affiliates, okay? There's so many different platforms that you can become an affiliate of, okay? And once they approve you to be an affiliate for that vendor, you can go ahead and promote any product that they have in that that website or in that market. So once you find a product, what are you going to do? All you have to do, you go and promote, like I was telling you. Because a lot of people don't know how to start affiliate marketing, okay? Or a lot of people don't know how to make money online with affiliate marketing. This is the easiest way, okay? This is the easiest way to make money online with affiliate marketing. Once you promote that product, like I was telling you, all you have to do is just track your sales and earn commissions. It's that simple. Okay. Now, what's my goal? Excuse me. My goal today here is for you to take something out of this video. If you're a beginner, I hope you absorb everything and learn. And once you learn everything, go ahead and implement. Okay, that's another thing. If you're watching this video, I'm gonna show you the correct way of doing it, like I said, and I can't stress this enough. But please go ahead and also implement as I go. You could be doing the same thing. Another thing I want to go ahead and discuss. I'm gonna try to make this a actual course. So this is gonna be like part 1, okay, out of I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 different videos. Okay, so stick with me. Okay, stick with me to the end, and we'll show you new ways to make money online. And like I said, that's my goal, for you to become an expert. Okay, for you to start making money online, because I know that's everybody's dream at some point, because everybody wants to escape that 9 to 5. Okay, so hopefully you find some nuggets in here. Okay, now if you stick into the end with me, like I said, I'm gonna show you some special tools that I use to make money online and to attract customers. Okay, because there's a big difference of having your business. There's a lot of people out there promoting their business, okay, but they're not showing people how to drive traffic to their business. I see a lot of people promoting good businesses, but they're not teaching people how to drive traffic to that business. So I'm going to show you that, and on top of that, I'm going to give you a special bonus. Now this is if you stay to the end. Okay, make sure you stay to the end. Make sure if you find any good content on this video that you like, make sure you leave me a comment. Also give me thumbs up and smash that bell, so that way when you smash that bell, you know, it'll notify you. Also subscribe, so that way when I put up a new video, you'll be notified about it. So all right, let's continue. Like I said, my name is Julio Franco, and welcome to my channel, Creative Passive Income. Okay, the 3 best site to become an affiliate. I'm gonna show it to you. Okay, and then after that, I'm gonna show you how to choose the right niche, and also how to pick the right product. Okay, I'm gonna give you the best traffic source, so that way when you choose the product, you can also have traffic coming to it, because it does no good for you to have the best offer or the best business model out there, but if you don't drive traffic, if nobody's seeing your offer, you're not making any sales. So I'm gonna reveal that to you as well. Okay, and on top of that, you're gonna get one-on-one with me, 30 minutes. You can ask me anything you want about this video or about anything you want. Okay, so keep that in mind. This is what you're gonna get until staying to the end. Don't forget, like I said, please do me a favor. If you find content on this video, go ahead and leave me a comment, smash the bell, and also subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you so much. Okay, now hopefully within a year, you're gonna be an affiliate marketing champ. Okay, because it will take time. You're not gonna become an affiliate marketer champ in weeks or months. I mean, I've been doing it for years, and I don't consider myself an affiliate marketer champ. You know, I'm still learning, but hopefully it'll take you less. You know, some people learn different than others. All right, what I want you to do me this favor. I want you to go ahead and step 1, get BuilderAll. Okay, it's get the free trial. If you're serious, like I told you, go ahead and get the free trial. You know, I think it's a 14-day trial. Go ahead. I'm gonna leave my link in the description. Okay, if you sign up, I'm gonna guide you. I'm gonna coach you every single step of the way. Okay, that's what you're gonna get. Once you sign up with or get your free trial started, let me know, and I'm gonna show you how to do landing pages. I'm gonna show you how to do email marketing, and I'm also gonna show you how to do YouTube. Okay, everything is gonna be included. Like I said, this video is just video 1 out of so many, because there's so many series. You know, there's 3 different courses included in one. So YouTube, email marketing, and also building funnels, okay? And on top of that, YouTube. So guys, yeah, okay, go ahead and get started. You know, I'm gonna leave the link down below. Once you created your account, let me know and we'll get started. We'll start building your page and we'll start driving traffic to it, okay? This is kind of an idea of what you're gonna get, okay? Like I said, you're gonna have to get a squeeze page. Right here, you see a squeeze page. Oh, let me go back. A squeeze page, okay? And the only way you're gonna get a squeeze page is by getting a BuilderAll. And like I said, once you go ahead and create your BuilderAll account, excuse me, please get back with me, because that's where I come in and I show you how to create a squeeze page, and then I'm gonna show you how to get traffic. And on top of that, once you create traffic, you know, I'm gonna teach you how to create an email sequence. So that way, when you drive traffic, you collect that people's email info, whatever you want to call it, then that is considered a lead. Okay, they opt in. Most of them, you know, it gives you right there 50-70% might say no. The 25 to 50% say yes. They're gonna get a sequence of emails. Okay, and through those emails, you can promote so many different opportunities, products, and all that kind of stuff, and that's where you make money. Okay, remember, everybody talks about the money is in the list. Okay, this is very powerful. If you're not paying attention, if you're not following me, okay, you're gonna be missing out. Excuse me, you're gonna be missing out. Okay, all this stuff that I show you at the beginning, this is just kind of like the front end. Okay, but where you're gonna be creating that passive income, okay, it's gonna be on your emails. Keep in mind, driving traffic and building a squeeze page, it's just the front of it, okay? But everything evolves on the back end over here with it, where it says automated email sent via autoresponder. Okay, that's another thing. You might be asking what kind of autoresponder, what kind of autoresponder and you should get. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link to my best two autoresponders that I've used before. You can choose any one you want. And they're also free trials, okay? So excuse me guys, they're free trials. So once you've done that, let's get started, and maybe you can start making some sales, you know, before the free trial expires. Okay, this is the correct way, guys. This is how the big gurus are doing it. They're building their list. Okay, you're gonna get to see all of this, okay, once you sign up to BuilderAll and you sign up to your autoresponder. You contact me and we'll get started. Okay, we'll start building your page. We'll start driving traffic. We'll set up all the emails, and then you start seeing commissions. Now, keep in mind, disclaimer: this is not a get rich quick scheme. Okay, I'm not gonna say that you're gonna make hundreds of thousands of dollars. Okay, although I've known and I've seen a lot of people making good money working from home. You know, just putting this same they're implementing this same process, and they're creating passive income. So you can do the same, but it all depends up to you. Depends on how hard you work, how much effort you put into it, you know, and if you're consistent. Okay, so you're not gonna come in here and make thousands, and then I'm gonna say you will make money, but it all depends to you. Okay, I'm not gonna say that you're gonna get rich quick, because you're not. Just a little disclaimer. Other than that, guys, I appreciate it very much. Once again, don't forget to slam that bell and go ahead and subscribe to my channel, so that way you'll be notified of the next series, okay? Because this is going to be a series of videos that I'm going to be showing. This is just the front end. Then once you get signed up, like I said, I'm going to put you on I'm going to start sending you all the sequence of the emails for you to start implementing. And don't forget, you also get the coach one-on-one, the coaching, 30-minute coaching one-on-one with me, okay? So guys, I appreciate it. Like I said, I'm not going to take too long. Thanks again. And don't forget, okay? Don't forget to follow me on the next series, okay? In the next video. Guys, thank you. God bless. Have a wonderful day.